Yo, what's good? It's your boy Wolver. Today, we're stepping into the shadows. We're not just talking about crypto. We're hunting in the deep ends of the blockchain. I'm about to show you exactly how BIP39 seed phrases get generated and scanned at machine speed. No theory, no fluff, just raw execution. If you want to master the mechanics of the blockchain or need a custom build, hit me on Telegram. Link in the description. The interface. Look at this. Clean, modular, absolutely dangerous in the right hands. This isn't some basic command line trash. This is a full graphical user interface built with Tkinter. Lightweight but nasty. You've got complete tactical control over every operation. Auto-scan, generate wallet, multi-chain switching. One click, and this machine marches through the blockchain like it owns the place. Under the hood. Pop open the File Explorer. This isn't a single script, it's an army. We've got dedicated handlers for Ethereum smart contracts, Solana integration at the protocol level, and Bitcoin API connectors hardened for speed. Everything is modular. Everything is optimized for maximum performance. This is how you handle data at scale. The heart of the beast. We're talking entropy generation at a cryptographic level. These are mathematically secure seed phrases using the exact same standards as hardware wallets, like Ledger or Trezor. This bot speaks their language fluently. Every seed is derived through proper BIP39. Every address is generated using the same paths the entire crypto ecosystem trusts. The multi-chain assault. This is where most scanners die. Single-chain trash. Not this one. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Solana. You can toggle them all at once. This bot pings the entire ecosystem simultaneously. Bitcoin talks to Blockstream, Solana hits mainnet RPCs, and Ethereum queries archive nodes. This bot doesn't just watch the blockchain, it speaks it. Pulling the trigger. Hit Start Autoscan. Boom. The interface just woke up, and it's hungry. Watch that current wallet display. 12 words, 24 words, flying by like a cryptographic waterfall. The backend is generating valid BIP39 at speeds that would melt lesser machines. Every phrase derives addresses for every network in the same millisecond. Live API pings. Look at the results. Live API pings are firing globally. Blockstream, ping, Solana, RPC, ping, Ethereum archive nodes, ping. Each request asks the blockchain a simple question. Does this address exist? Is there a balance? The blockchain answers every time. No hesitation, no mercy. The scale. You have to visualize the astronomical scale here. There are more seed combinations than there are atoms in the known universe. More addresses than grains of sand on Earth. These are numbers so massive the human brain can't even comprehend them. Yet, this bot marches through them, non-stop. While you sleep, while you eat, while you live. The truth. Your seed phrase is the key to your digital empire. 12 words, 24 words. That's it. Guard them with fire. Guard them with your life. Because out there in the darkness, high-speed logic like this exists. It never, ever stops hunting. Why I built this? Knowledge is power. The only way to truly defend is to understand exactly how the machine works. The blockchain, it's math. And math can be explored, tested, and pushed to its absolute limits. This bot is a demonstration, a proof of concept, and a window into the raw mechanics of the forge. The invite. This project was a deep dive into the mathematical foundations of modern finance. It's been a relentless journey. If this gave you an unfiltered look at how these systems really work, and you want to study the code or join the inner circle, hit me on Telegram. That's where the real ones gather. That's where the knowledge flows. Stay dangerous, stay encrypted, keep learning. Never let anyone tell you that you can't understand this space. You can, you will. And when you do, you'll see the blockchain for what it truly is, just math. And math always plays fair. Wolver out.